right, so we've got a new plate here today. It's the Hobie adapter plate, and we've modified it so that it'll work with dual power poles. We've had a lot of requests for this plate. It's a 1/4-inch aluminum one-piece adapter plate, just like the majority of our other plates. We keep it simple and easy for you guys to install on your kayak and to install your accessories to the plate. So basically what you get is you get the plate, which is all one piece like I mentioned. You'll get 2 wood screws or plastic screws, which will have a flat washer with them. You'll also get 2 metric 5mm screws, and the difference is, this being a newer Hobie kayak, it does not have the brass inserts in the back of the rudder drum cover here, so it gets the plastic screws. And I believe it's 2020 and older kayaks have the brass inserts, so you'll get the 5mm screws for that. You'll get 2 sets of clamps. There's 2 bolts each in the clamps. Everything's pre-threaded. There's no nuts to be held anywhere. It just makes it for a much more simple install. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together, show you how easy it is to do, and hope this makes your guys' install a little easier. And all right, so first, take your bolts out, put them through the back of the plate, and put your block on. Now this is the non-threaded side of the block. So there's two pieces to the clamp blocks. There's a non-threaded side and a threaded side. That's your threaded side. You want to put your non-threaded side on first. And the only tools you need for this install is a 7/16 socket or wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. So once you have those on, you slide your plate back. And I've already previously taken the screws out that were already in this, the rudder cover here. So you slide those clamps up on the H-rail, and then you can get your screws started up here. Now I'm getting them started with a drill, but I will not tighten them down with a drill because they are going into plastic. I finished tightening those with a screwdriver, not the drill, because we don't want to strip that out. So then go ahead and switch out to my socket. And the same thing with these. I'll set my drill so that it won't over tighten, but with these clamps, these are Delrin clamps, so it's a really rigid plastic. It's a very dense material, and they hold threads really well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start these by hand so they don't get cross-threaded. And then you have to tighten these clamps up equally, or they will go lopsided on you and they won't tighten down properly. You'll end up stripping the threads out. Once you get those started, make sure the plate is centered on your H-rail. And the beauty of this plate is, once your power poles are on and once your mount is on for your motor or whatever you put here, you still have the use of the H-rail. So you have a really solid grip here, a good sturdy handle. So once you have all that extra stuff on here, you can still utilize the H-rail that's in the back. Once you get those tight, you can go ahead and tighten down the screws up in the front. Like I said, don't over tighten these. They will draw down okay. but you can really, like I said, they're going into plastic. You can strip these out. So then once you tighten that up, it's done. So what we have here is we have a 4-bolt pattern here, a 4-bolt pattern here, and a 4-bolt pattern here. So if you want to put a motor, a power pole, or a motor and a power pole on one side or the other, you have that availability. It just gives you more options when it comes to accessorizing the back of your Hobie. So really simple install, minimal tools. So thank you guys for watching. We hope this video helps you, and we'll see you on the next one.